first thing to do, if you haven't already done so, is to turn off the iPhone 4G and take out the SIM card. Next, at the bottom of the phone you will see two screws. They will either be small Phillips screws, as this iPhone here, or as some of the newer iPhone 4Gs have, a star-shaped screw, which will need a special screwdriver that is available on the repairsuniverse.com website. Remove both of these screws. Once the screws are removed, push up the back cover and then lift to remove. Using a small Phillips screwdriver, remove the small screw on the battery connector. Once the screw is removed, use a safe pry tool to pop up the battery connector, as being shown here now in the video. Then, using the tab, lift up the battery. You may need to use a little force as it is held in place with adhesive. You can now replace the battery.